Videos to go over how to make labels appear when they don't in the program. So in this example, I start off with 4 territories in Georgia, and I want to save a PDF. Uh, we want the county names to appear, and they don't initially when we save the PDF. The reason for that is with digital mapping, different data appears at different zoom levels. And if you're doing something at the large state level, like the state of Georgia, then the text is going to be becoming, uh, it's going to essentially overlap each other. So the program is going to try to hide those labels from view so that more data will appear. So I'm going to kind of go through the steps of a workaround using custom labels. So the first thing you'll notice on the map is we have black wording for the county names. And so in this example, we have Meriwether County. I've gone ahead and saved this image as a PDF to show what we're looking at. So this is a PDF, and we can see that an example over by Jasper County that's missing a label along with these ones down below. We can then do a couple tricks here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to counties in the map and data box. I'm going to go to manage map and data, and I'm going to go to labels. I'm going to change it from normal to small so that the likelihood of more names appear will be there. And also I'm going to do start labeling from, I'm going to just change it to the world level. So that just means that the name is more likely to appear at more zoom levels. I will then go ahead and save my PDF again using that rectangle function. This will just be a moment. Just going to name it Georgia again, replace it, and then pull it up. Oh, I have the image open, so let me close it first. Okay, so now we see we have some slightly more labels than we had before, but let's start right up at the top. So I'm going to just make this 100%, and we can see that we have some up by Chattanooga County. We also have that one immediately to the left of Meriwether County. So we're going to use custom labels next. A custom label is a label that you can make appear on its own. It's not like one of these auto labels that it's permanently there unless you essentially click on the map. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the counties layer and click on the settings gear. I'm going to click labels, and then we're going to take a look at the custom labels text box styles. We want this custom label to match the auto label. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the size to small. I'm going to uncheck the box that would create a white box. I'm also going to click bold, and I'm going to click outline. So now the custom label should be the same as the auto label. I'm going to just temporarily turn off my territories layer just so I'm looking at my counties. And now we need to apply that county layer. So I'm going to just hold down the control button on my keyboard and click on the mouse. Now you'll see that I have a Troop County that appears, and I can actually move this custom label around on the map. I can also take a look back at my PDF now, and I can see that we have some at the top that didn't take. So I will go ahead and click Control, click, Control, click, Control, click. And then we're kind of bouncing back in between the PDF as well as the program itself. So we're going to go to the right of Meriwether County. We're going to click Control, click. We're going to click on this one over here by Burke County. So we're going to press Control and click. Once we have more of these, we can go ahead and turn back on our territories layer. I'm going to close out of the previously opened PDF, and I'm going to save that image again. So using the custom labels and removing the background color and making those custom labels look like the auto labels is a workaround for what we're trying to do here. And once again, the only reason we have to do this is because we're trying to take an image that's huge, in this case, the state of Georgia. So now we see that we have more of these labels appearing. If you have any questions, please let us know and have a great day.